Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you this pick and pop bracelet kit that was sent to me from CM Toys Games and Fun Stuff. This is the Honeybee pick and pop. It's a fun mix between a fidget toy and a jewellery making kit. Inside the kit you get a silicone pad filled with beads and charms along with some string to put everything together. As you take out the beads and charms, it makes a satisfying popping and clicking sound. Once you've popped out all the pieces, you can start making your bracelet. So that's all for today's video. I had lots of fun making these bracelets. Let me know in the comments what you thought of today's unboxing, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys, bye!